Welcome to your first Java tutorial. Today we'll walk through the 4 simple steps to run your first Java program on your local machine. First, download and install the latest version of the Java Development Kit, or JDK. Next, write your Java program in a file. For example, we'll use a file named helloworldapp.java. Then compile your program into bytecode using the javac command. And finally, run the compiled program with the java command to see the output. So let's walk through each step. To install the JDK, first search for JDK Oracle in your browser. Then navigate to Oracle Java Downloads page. Here, under the latest JDK section, choose your system, in my case it's Windows, and click the download link. You may see several options available, but I think that the zip file is the most straightforward option. When the download is finished, open the zip folder and extract the JDK folder. Select the location. In my case, I will create a new folder and name it apps. And extract the JDK folder here. Now we need to set up the path environment variable, which we'll use to run the javac and java commands from anywhere on the system. Go to search box and type system variables. Now click environment variables and under system variable section create a new variable. Let's call it java_home. And set the location of the JDK folder. Now search for the path variable and here set the bin folder inside the JDK folder. And click OK to save everything. Now let's verify that the JDK is properly installed and everything works properly. To do that, open the command prompt on Windows or terminal if you're on Linux or Mac. So on Windows, press Windows R and type cmd. So here type java -version and press enter. And this will print you the version details of the Java virtual machine. We use JVM to run Java applications. And now type javac -version. And this will print you the version details of the Java compiler. So now we confirm that the JDK and JVM are properly installed, and we can proceed to the next step. Now let's create your first Java program. Create a new folder. I will call it first, but you can call it whatever you like. Open the folder and run text editor. For this simple program, I will use Notepad. Now type void space main, open closing parenthesis, open curly bracket, type system.out.println, and within parentheses type hello world. And close curly bracket. Great, let's pause for a moment and walk through the code we just wrote. This small program has a single method called main. In Java, a method is a group of instructions that perform a specific task. You can call or run a method to execute its instructions. The main method is special because the JVM or Java Virtual Machine starts running the program from this method. Now notice the word void. It means the main method does not return any result or output. It's only used to run your instructions. Inside the main method, the part within curly brackets, we call another method called println. This prints a string to the console. In our program, that string is hello world. Now, one thing to mention here, usually the hello world program in Java looks a bit more complicated. However, I'm using a new feature introduced in JDK 21 to simplify the code. In JDK 23, this feature is still in preview mode, meaning it's experimental. So when I compile and run the code, I'll include an extra option called Enable Preview to turn on this feature. Now let's save the file and name it hello world app.java. Next, run command prompt. Now we need to compile our file. Type javac space -- enable -preview space -- release space 23 space hello world app.java and press enter. If you don't see any errors, it means that the compilation process succeeded. You can also notice that there will be a new file called hello world app.class. This is our compile class. Now let's run our program. Type java space -- enable -preview space hello world app and press enter. Alright, so if you see the string hello world, it means that everything works correctly. However, if you encounter any errors, don't panic, just go through each step again. If you have any other issues, then leave a comment with the question. Thank you.